8 miles northwest of Pittsburgh to near Goldston to 8 miles west of Sanford to Carthage to 6 miles north of Pinehurst to 9 miles. Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Moore County and central North Carolina, Scotland County and central North Carolina, Harnett County and central North Carolina, eastern Richmond County and central North Carolina, Cumberland County and central North Carolina, Lee County and central North Carolina, southwestern Wake County and central North Carolina, southwestern Johnston County in central North Carolina, Hope County in central North Carolina, eastern Chatham County in central North Carolina, until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Pittsburgh to near Sanford to near Southern Pines to 7 miles northeast of Rockingham, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Cary, Sanford, Laurinburg, Southern Pines, Rockingham, Rayford, Pittsburgh, Lillington, and Carthage. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.